2025 BMW Spectre, a bold leap into the future. The 2025 BMW Spectre is a masterpiece of modern automotive engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with a sleek and futuristic design. BMW has crafted a vehicle that not only looks stunning but also promises to deliver exceptional performance and luxury. The Spectre represents a shift toward high-end electric mobility, showcasing the brand's vision for the future. From the outside, the BMW Spectre captivates with its striking design. The aggressive front fascia features a bold, illuminated grille that seamlessly integrates with sharp LED headlights, giving the car a menacing yet sophisticated appearance. The sculpted body lines flow effortlessly from the front to the rear, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining a dynamic stance. Large alloy wheels with an intricate spoke design complement the overall aesthetic, while flush door handles add to its streamlined look. At the rear, the full-width LED taillight strip and an active rear spoiler not only enhance visual appeal but also improve stability at high speeds. Step inside, and the cabin of the Spectre feels like a glimpse into the future. A minimalist yet luxurious design greets the driver and passengers, featuring high-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and sustainable wood trims. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved digital display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system, providing an intuitive and immersive experience. The ambient lighting system can be customized to match the mood of the occupant, adding a touch of personalization. Ergonomically designed seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions ensure maximum comfort, while the panoramic glass roof creates an open and airy feel. Advanced voice recognition and AI-driven controls eliminate the need for excessive buttons, allowing for a seamless interaction with the vehicle's systems. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, lies the heart of the Spectre, its powerful electric drivetrain. BMW has equipped this machine with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering an exhilarating performance with instant torque. The electric powertrain produces an estimated 700 horsepower, enabling the Spectre to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. The high-capacity battery pack ensures a range of over 400 miles on a single charge, making it practical for long journeys. Fast charging capabilities allow the battery to reach 80% in just 20 minutes, reducing downtime significantly. An advanced adaptive air suspension system provides a smooth and controlled ride, adapting to different road conditions in real time. The 2025 BMW Spectre isn't just about power and luxury, it's also packed with the latest technology. An AI-powered driver assistance system offers semi-autonomous driving, making long trips effortless. The car is equipped with over-the-air update capabilities, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of automotive innovation. Connectivity features include seamless smartphone integration, a high-end surround sound system, and a 5G-enabled navigation suite for real-time traffic updates. With its futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance electric powertrain, the 2025 BMW Spectre is set to redefine the luxury EV segment. BMW has successfully combined elegance with innovation, creating a car that appeals to both performance enthusiasts and tech-savvy drivers. Whether it's the striking exterior, the opulent interior, or the exhilarating performance, the Spectre is a testament to the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence.